Hi guys, Chef Brendan here with Miss Brendan MacNaughton, who's going to be my assistant today. Can you say hi, Eleanor?
Hi.
All right. Today I'm going to show you how to make a grilled marinated portobello mushroom. Real easy marinade. This is something that my mother showed me when I was young, and I've used it ever since. I just love this marinade. I've actually made these at school a few times, and people seem to like them a lot. Let's get started. Today we're going to use 4 mushrooms. I found some real nice big portobello mushrooms in the store. I've already taken the fins off of these 3, but the fins are on the inside of the mushroom there, and when you're wanting to marinate them, it's best if you just gently scrape them off with a spoon. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want the mushroom to break apart. You can discard that. Put the mushrooms aside for now, and I'm going to go ahead and put them in the pan that we're going to marinate them in. I'm going to get to the marinade. It's just ingredients that I'm going to go over real quick, but at the end of this, I'll give you the list and the measurings of all the ingredients that we're going to use. We've got 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of Worcestershire. You get extra credit if you can spell Worcestershire. Here's a 1/4 cup of cooking wine, and you can use any kind of cooking wine. This is a cooking sherry. If you don't have cooking wine, use a red wine at home. It works best for this recipe. This is my minced garlic, mustard, and lemon juice. So I've got a tablespoon of each of those, and I pre-portion them. My spices. It's 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And that's Biscuit. That's my dog. Say hi, Biscuit. I'm gonna get him right in there. Already it's starting to smell delicious. And now my assistant, Miss Eleanor, is going to stir up. Can you stir that for me, honey? Something that I add to mine, and this is an option for you, is some hot sauce or maybe some cayenne pepper. This hot sauce that I have is a chili garlic paste, and it's just delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in here. If you like hotter stuff, you can put in some Tabasco, or maybe you've got your favorite hot sauce. Use whatever you like. What do you think? Is that enough? You do it? No? A little bit more? Want me to do some? Oh yeah. Can you smell that? Does it smell amazing? Yeah.
It's my turn.
Okay, do a little bit more. And the next step is to marinate the mushrooms now. Anytime you're marinating something, you want to go for at least a half an hour. With the mushrooms, that's about what I'm going to do, about a half hour to 40 minutes. If it's a steak or any other meats, you want to go longer than that, because the longer you get it in the marinade, the more it gets that wonderful flavor in there, and the juices just really soak into whatever it is that you're marinating. So I'll let these go for a little bit. We'll come back and we'll put them on the grill. We'll see you in a bit. All right, so here's the fun part. Almost the best part. Eating it is the best part. So I've been marinating these for, well, now it's been close to an hour. I'm gonna keep a lot of this yummy juice in there, that yummy marinade, and put the mushroom on so that the open side is up, because I want the juices to cook right into the mushroom. We're gonna go a couple of minutes, turn it clockwise so we get some nice grill marks on it. In a few minutes we'll flip it over. You don't want to overcook it, but you don't want to undercook it either. And I think this is gonna be just amazing. So we'll come back in just a few and we'll check it out then. All right, let's see how this beauty's doing. Look at that. All that bubbly, juicy, good stuff. Oh, yummy. I'm gonna flip it over. Got some nice tags on the grill marks on the back there. This is gonna be absolutely amazing. What I am gonna do, I'm gonna grab a little bit of the extra marinade. I'm gonna pour it over this side of it. That'll keep it nice and moist. One thing I wanna say, with the extra marinade that you have, save it for sure. What I'm gonna use it for is to marinate a steak for later on tonight. So you can definitely use it again, although if you do use it for a steak or any sort of protein, you don't want to keep it after that because it'll be in raw meat. But with vegetables, the mushrooms, you can definitely keep it, put it in the refrigerator, save it for the next time. All right, I think we're ready to take it off the grill. Oh, this is looking amazing. Look at that yummy goodness. Oh, let's go inside, cut it up, and taste it. We're gonna love this. All right, here's the good part. Here's where we get to taste this. It's beautiful, it's so tender, it just cuts so easily. And I have Lennon, my son Cameron behind the camera. He's gonna come over and taste this as well. I tried to talk Eleanor into it. Getting little kids to try new things sometimes is a challenge, but this is more of an adult thing. Then you want to go first?
Sure.
Cameron, you can try it right off this. I'm so excited for this. It's like steak. It's like a marinated steak, but it's totally vegetarian, and it's absolutely delicious. What do you think, boys?
It's amazing. Very good.
So give it a try, and let me know how it works out for you, and you can change things up if you like. Here, like I said, I took the rest of the marinade, and I'm marinating flank steak with that. So that's a great use for the leftovers. You can marinate chicken, you can marinate pork with it. I don't know if it will work so well with fish, but so good. I'm going in for some more. You guys have a great day. Let me know how it works out. Stay safe.